Hi traders, Trader of the Day replay. Let's have a look at it. I'm going to do a little bit longer one here for you today because we're experiencing some pretty big volatility in the markets. You can see here that China's hit back. Okay, so earlier on in the week, we had Donald Trump doing a sweeping tariffs across the entire world. China's now last night hit back with a 34% on all goods coming into China from the United States. So this created even more turmoil. So as you can see, it's just a sea of red, not only just in the United States, but have a look at the world. Sea of red. All stock markets are just having a pretty hard time going up. This is corrective territory, and understanding the economics behind your trading can open up a whole heap of new opportunities for you. Okay, so let's have a look at what we've been doing. You can see here, I mean, this just dropped by 1,000 points, 1,500 points in the last couple of days. And this was the release of the tariffs. Okay, so because of the higher volatility, we reduce our size so that we can have our stops are not going to be hit with huge size. Okay, so fixed percentage risk, or just reducing your size so that you can widen up your stops. These are just 100-point moves, so it is very big compared to normal trading conditions. So we've got to adjust for that on the fly and be prepared for taking advantage of it as well. Now, as you can see as well, a lot of our traders, let me just quickly get that up, a lot of our traders making absolute killings last night. So 350 points there from Cam. Just little scalps in there as well, which is great to see. I mean, I've taken over in this earlier session, or it took over 200 points. So it's very easy money to be made if you know what you're doing. Understanding the economics behind what we're doing here as well is critical, and you will be able to learn how to understand economics and what's going to make impact. And obviously this Donald Trump trade war is huge. Okay, so anyway, let's have a look at a trade that we've put on. I'll go through here, and it kept going all night. We had the NFP coming out as well, so we were all over that. We were looking at where the market structure was, etc. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to trade this huge move in here because that is massive. Okay, but what I am going to do is I'm just going to trade this little pullback in here that some of us took from here into there, and we can see in here I've got a double line in there, so we're just taking note of what the futures prices was doing as well, so that we understand that we're not we have a bearing on what futures and the CFD is doing at the same time. Okay, let me do a replay on it. Okay, down in here, and you can see I've reduced my size as well, and let's just tick along and we'll get it in there. It was okay, waiting for the pullback. That was the pullback in there. I've come in a bit late on the replay, but then we're looking for down in here for our target. And didn't have to wait too long. So there's the target, 2,000 euros on that one. Okay, but plenty of other trades to be taken throughout the day. Heaps and heaps of trades. Great opportunity for us. Increase in volatility is awesome for us, and we take advantage of it. Okay, guys, thanks for listening. And if you want us to teach you how to do this and then possibly get funded from us, please let us know. See you for the next one.